Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of the Renaissance Academy of Geosciences, Nagpur. Here I am back with a new video. Now, we know that the UPSC Geologist exam is on the way. The Geologist exam this year in 2021 will be at 21st of February 2021, that is a Sunday. Now, you might have prepared or you have prepared yourselves for the GS papers as well. We are starting a series of classes, the series of free classes on YouTube regarding the most important topics in the current affairs, as well as these will cover the static GK portion as well. Be connected with us, be here every day, because these lectures will be uploaded each and every single day till 20th of February. Now, topic for today, we have selected a very much important topic for today, and that is the blue flag beaches in India. Pay attention to my video, guys, because after the end of this video, at the end of this video, I'll be asking you two questions, and you need to answer these questions in the comment box. So be prepared and be attentive with the video. Now, as I have shown you the blue flag, well, let us see some of the key facts about the blue flag. Now, the very basic thing about the blue flag. What is the blue flag? The blue flag is an eco-label, or you can say it as the certificate. Okay, this is nothing but the eco-label or the certificate which is awarded to beaches or marinas or boat operators. Okay, so boat operators who are for the eco-tourism purpose. Okay, so this is the eco-label, or this is the certification which is awarded to the beaches, marinas or boat operators for the tourism purpose. Okay, now in India, in the December 2020, in the December 2020, India has received a prestigious 8 beaches. Okay, India has received the blue flag certification for prestigious 8 beaches. Okay, now this number is huge, and India became the first country. India became the first country in the world to receive the blue flag certification for 8 beaches in a single stroke. For the cleanest beaches in UAE or in the in different countries which are developed, which are considered as developed countries, even they did not have this honor. So this is a matter of pride for us. So 8 beaches. Remember, the 8 beaches have received the blue flag certification in 2020. Now, who awards this certificate? The second question. We know what is blue flag. Now, who awards the certification? There is the blue flag certification which is awarded by a non-profit organization. Okay, the non-profit organization which is called as Foundation for Foundation for Environmental Education, or to be short, FEE. Okay, it is given by the FEEs. Okay, now India is the 4th country. India is 4th country the fourth Asian country to receive this blue flag certification for its beaches. Before India, the three countries were Korea, Japan, and UAE. Korea, Japan, UAE. Remember, friends, even Korea, Japan, and UAE did not receive blue flag certification for this much number of beaches. Okay. Now, how to qualify for this blue flag certification? To qualify for the blue flag certification, there are several criteria to be fulfilled. Okay. These criteria, there are in total 33 criteria. There are in total 33 criteria. Now, these 33 criteria are divided, or they are classified according to several subjects. Now, these 33 criteria are environmental, educational, access, and safety related. Okay, so these are the four classification schemes. Okay, these are the four classifications in which these 33 criteria are classified, and on which the blue flag certification is awarded. Okay, now this blue flag certification was first started in France in the year 1985. This is a very important fact. Just keep a keen eye on this, because this is a very important fact. Before being blue flag certification, it used to be called as European blue flag certification. Okay, or European blue flag. It was the year 2001 when South Africa became the first non-European country to receive the blue flag, and the European blue flag became global blue flag. Okay, it became the global blue flag, or it is named as international blue flag. Okay, now the current affairs regarding this entire topic. The current affairs regarding this entire topic is this: the blue flags, the beaches which have received the blue flag certification in India. There are total 8 beaches. These 8 beaches were selected from the number of entries, which were 12 in number in India. From 12 beaches, the blue flag, this FEE has picked out these 8 beaches. Okay, the first one is the Golden Beach, Odisha. Second one is the Shivajpur Beach, Gujarat. The third one is Kappad Beach, Kerala. The fourth one is Ghogla Beach, Diu. Fifth one is the Radhanagar Beach, Andaman and Nicobar. Sixth one is the Kasaragod Beach, Karnataka. Seventh one is the Padubidri Beach, Karnataka. And the eighth one is the Rushikonda Beach, Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Now, a fun fact or a trivia. In 2018, the Chandrabhaga Beach of Konark coast of India. 2018, the Chandrabhaga Beach of Konark coast in India is not only India's, but the first ever beach to receive the blue flag certification in Asia. Okay, so this is a trivia. You must know this. Now, the time for your questions. Be ready with pen and paper. Here are your questions. Question number 1. Before India, which of the Asian country has received the status of blue flag certification? Pause the video, answer your type your answer in the comment box and go ahead. Question number 2. When and where did the Blue Flag organization or the Blue Flag certification scheme was started? Do the same. Pause the video, write your answer in the comment box and resume the video. So, by far this is one of the important topics which is related with the current affairs. I am reminding you once again that just please keep a track of this channel. Come daily, visit daily, because we will be dealing with these kind of topics on daily basis. Okay, don't miss any update. Like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for being with us. All the best.